Okay, everybody, sorry about the view right now, but again, Flatbed Ed, we're here. It is nighttime. We're dealing with a severe winter storm where no one should be driving. We got a dude broke down on the highway. We got the police with us. Oh, can I get through this? I don't know if I can. I'm not gonna risk that. So we're gonna go over to the exit over here. We're just gonna fucking hang it around. We got the police on the other side. We got a 2002 Jeep Cherokee. It says that it's having transmission issues of some sort. We're gonna hop off over here. These roads right now are just straight up treacherous. So we're gonna hop back around on the other side, catch up, and even getting onto the interstate over here by exit 15, there were cars that were just stuck on the on-ramp. And right in the middle, I had to go around them. I'm gonna swing back over that way after I drop this vehicle off and make sure everyone's okay over there. I'm gonna let the police know. But it is treacherous. Like, when we're in a state of emergency, ladies and gentlemen, please stay the fuck home. Ooh, sorry about that, guys. And drifty tow truck. Okay. Yeah, service air filter all day long. We know this. It is a straight whiteout. It's a little better right now. Earlier in the day, it was horrific. No plows out. I probably seen like maybe 5 of them today. Don't know where the heck they all are. If they're waiting for the snow to stop, but it's apparently not. From the weather report, says central New York is getting about a foot an hour. Okay, we're coming close. I don't know if you guys can see those red and blue cherries up there, but we're approaching. Update that, we're on scene. Call that good. Okay. How are we doing?
Thanks for your help.
Yeah, no problem. So it's transmission issues?
It's the bottle, like, checking like in line and an alert shows up that says I've lost the bottle. So I was looping along.
Gotcha.
It moves, like I think I could probably, I don't know if I can track something.
Oh, we'll winch it up. Let me just speak to the cop real quick. Hey, boss.
What's going on, man?
As I was coming up, westbound ramp 15, there's a dude stuck right in the middle of the on-ramp. It's just so much snow right there.
Westbound?
Yeah, right here, 15 coming this way. Just wanted to let you guys know. Let me just get my stuff together. Ugh, so much snow. Oh, that should have been clear before I took off. It's been a busy day. She is moving slow. over to the control. It's all connected still. Throw some tension on this. Okay, now will you be coming with me to the destination?
Yeah.
Okay, so what I'll have you do is I'll have you hop out, and I'm gonna put it in neutral, or if you want to put it in neutral, if you feel comfortable steering.
It's in neutral. You want to do it?
Do you feel comfortable steering?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm just gonna pull you along, and I'll have you steer for me, and once I get the front half of your vehicle on the bed, I'll have you hop out. Okay. Ready? That's perfect right there. You're right a little bit. Left a little bit, my bad. Right there. And, okay. I'll have you hop on out. You keep it in neutral for me. I'll just have you stand on that side of the truck.
Sure.
Put the keys with him. Where is he at? He's over there. Okay, hold up. You got the key? Yeah, it went back in the park.
Did it go back in? Okay.
Yeah, it does that from time to time. If it doesn't detect the weight in the seat, it could be. Okay, there we go. Wait for him to move. Okay. Oh, it's staying in. Yep, it's going back into park. I mean, if you feel comfortable with it, it's going to be a little slick when you hop on out.
Yeah, maybe it detects like I'm in the car.
Yeah, it's weight detected. Alright, so
Okay, I'm in neutral now.
okay. Ready? E-brake. Say that again?
Gonna put it in park and then put it back into neutral?
Okay. What was that? There we go. To your left a little. Okie doke, you can put her in park. Yep, you can turn her right off. Just watch your step, you can step on those ratchets right there.
The key, do you want it?
Oh, you can hold on to it, because we're going to the same place, right? Nice and tight, we'll do one more on the back. So is this going to a shop or your residence?
Just take it to the dealership. I guess that's where you should be dropping me off.
Yeah.
And then I'm just gonna leave it there, and I'll call him in the morning.
need anything from me? Okay.
Okay. Yeah. So if you can your ride or...
Yeah.
Yeah, just keep time in. I'll figure it out. You bring a right to the dealership on Odonia?
Yep, I think that's the address given.
Yeah. Okay. Sounds good, guys. All right.
Be safe. Have a good night. Okay. We'll see you guys on the drop off.
A few minutes later.
Okay, we're back. We dropped this vehicle off that was on the interstate. What did I do with my gloves? Right there. This plow guy's like, what the fuck are they doing? Okay, so because it still drives, do you feel comfortable just reversing it off?
I think so.
Okay. Make sure this is down on the ground. Okay, we're on the ground. Put it in park, right? Right. Benefits of having an aluminum bed. Everything slides when it's cold. Where are you? There we go. Okay. You're completely disconnected. You can hop on in. Okay. You're good. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna suck this. What was that? You're right off. You're good. So the dealership is completely unplowed and I'm unable to actually drive inside. So we're dropping it off over here at the hotel that he's gonna be staying with. We're gonna transport it in the morning. Okay. Trying to knock some of the snow off. Okay. I just gotta grab a couple pictures before I take off. Oh, did it? I mean, stuff happens. It's probably for the best. You never know. Let me just grab a couple pictures and I'll get right out of your hair. Yeah, these new electric vehicles are wonky. I think I just cleaned up my truck today. Turn that PTO off. Okay, look, we're all set. Enjoy the rest of your day. Good luck. Have a good one. Okay, we're off. Oh man. Yeah. So service air filter.